What's up, traders? Mark Bauman here, CopyTrading, StartTrading.com, covering copy trading today and cryptocurrencies. I am going to share my screen and I'm going to share with you eToro. This is just like Naga if you're in Europe. I have decided to load money back into my copy trading account. So, whoa, whole like helix of photos. There you go, boom. So, I've decided to load money into my copy trading account. You should as well if you want to make some money. But again, I'm not a financial advisor. As you can see, I'm up $100 in the last few minutes. And Bitcoin is on a run, as well as Ethereum. From the looks of it, I don't think you missed it just yet. Let's go to a 5-minute view. It's kind of unabashedly just rising right now. So, hopefully you bought in or are watching this right now and loading up your account. I am, and hopefully this continues. If not, watch for the dip. Right now, during this kind of climb, I kind of like to look at a little bit more granular. You can see some patterns as it climbs. So I went up to 52,000. You don't see this in the 5-minute candlestick, but here's what happened. It was a little bit of struggle, pop up. Even less of a struggle, pop up. A little bit more of a struggle now on the 53,500. If it breaks that, we're going on to 56. So it started at 53. Sorry, popping at 52 here. Popped all the way up to 53 and a quarter. Then it had a little bit of a big struggle here. Popped up again. Had a little bit less of a struggle, and bam! Now it's having a little bit of a struggle again. Let's see. It's a bit of a repeat here. Let's see if it's popping back down. It's 53,265. Let's see, it should have a little bit of a dip just below the 53,250 line and then pop back up. If it doesn't go below there, then you know it's going to run up higher. So if you haven't already, take a look at your account. Get in if you feel like it. I believe it's going to run. So I'm still watching the minute mark. It's exciting. Anyways, I'm going to wait for this to pop and then I'm going to go grab some food, because otherwise you drive yourself nuts watching this thing. But if you go back out 30 minutes at a time, we're at 52,000, 53,000. It's still a strong green candlestick. We shall see if that continues. Let's see what else is. We'll look at 15-minute. Yeah, all green, 1 hour, super green, and 4 hours. 4 hours, we kind of hit our highest peak. So this could be the top, but if it's not, boom, then we're on our way to 56. So that's the thing. This is a repeat here. We green, 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 green. And then it's stymied right here. Green, 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 green. Are we going to pop the top? We'll see. It's going to take 4 hours to find out. But in the meantime, you can cycle your way down 1 hour. That is a strong climb. So this could be the first candlestick, because in 1 hour, it climbed that high. It could be the next hour is going to shoot back down, but it's also just as likely, if not more likely, like you can see back here. Back on March, was that 3rd? March 3rd, you can see it popped. And then the next hour was a little bit, and it popped again. So if we have a repeat of that, we're definitely going to 56. That's a high climb in 1 hour. 30 minutes. Let's compare that again to the 6th of March, or 3rd of March. Yeah, whoa. All right, so if we have the same repeat, that would be fantastic. I'm sitting here holding. Oh, it's the next leg. That's good. So 3 up. Whoa. All you can do is kind of look back and see some comparisons. Try to make yourself feel better. So got pop, 1, 2, 3, pop, and or 1, 2, 3 more, and then big pop. Oops, so, and that's a 30-minute view, so 2 pops, maybe some little pops, and then a big one. Hopefully, let's roll the dice. 10 minutes, 5 minutes, let's go 5 minutes again. I like the 5 minutes when it's tight like this, because you can see the little struggle happening between the buyers and sellers. Let's go back actually to the 3rd. And we had a little snuggle with struggle there. That's what my friend likes to say. Is that 2nd, March 5th. So I'll just go back that far on the 5 minutes there. That's okay. Is it popping? Got a little bit of a low there. Come on, Greenie. Anyway, so keep watching. Feel free to shoot me a message if I should sell out on my Bitcoin and buy on the dip. As a matter of if it dips, it's going to go back down to about 50. What is this? 52.5 or lower before it pops back up again. So it's actually before I sign off, let's do that one more time. Let's take a look at the 30-minute. Let's go back and see how far the last one dropped. Because if you're not going to get in, or if it's, if you feel it's too late already, don't worry, because it's going to go up to, see, last time it went up to around 53, and then it came back down to just below 51. It popped up a little bit over 51, back down, up a little bit, back down again, big drop, went down all the way down to 49. So it could be at that again, but the base level before that was down here at the 43,000 mark when that last happened on the 3rd of March. Our base level here to the 46, 47,000 mark. That's why I think it might go to 56 and then come back down. So that's how you can kind of look for key identifiers in the charts. I hope that made sense to you. I'm looking at the numbers over here, which you can't see over my screen is covering. So over, let me shrink this. So over here, let's see, let's bring this back out again. I'm not sure if you can see these numbers because I did shrink my second viewer. But right here you can see there the numbers here. On the last dip, after it popped up real high, it came down to 43,000 a few days ago. Because that was the last bottom it was before it rose up. Now here it's at 47,000, so it's created a new bottom. And that's because, and the bottoms are created by people that are buying who don't want to sell. If you don't want to sell, you're part of the bottom. So if you're 47, you're not selling, you're part of the bottom. So if you're only selling, like if it dips further below, or like you're never selling, or you're selling like only at 56 or 59, 60, then you're part of this bottom. So congratulations, help support it. Hodl. And that's just kind of how it works. So you can expect, once this peaks out, which could be right now, we got to look at the smaller increments. Let's get a little bit of a curve. I started it here and then popped up. Even had a dip here and then it came roaring back up. So unless it falls below 53,000, don't panic sell, okay? Don't panic. At least I'm not going to. So again, I'm just a trader, not a financial advisor. So watch the candlesticks here, the 5-minute mark. Don't drive yourself crazy though. What we're looking for is a change within the hour. So it's going to take an hour for the change, okay? See? It takes an hour for that dip to be realized. So don't worry if it's, you'll see there's a pop, marginal dip, pop. So you always have like a marginal dip and then a pop. And then if you go out further, it all looks green because basically over time it ignores those dips. Only here it had an extreme dip, which probably made people sell off. And that was back, we've been hovering around 50,000 mark for like days now, for weeks. So you're in good hands here, everybody. Hopefully, like I said, I got my money back in. Only $56 of profit so far. It's trending down a little bit, but hopefully that again is a trend down before it pops up. So I got some more, I bought an individual currency, I bought 1 or 2 Bitcoin, and one Bitcoin, and I have like a few Ethereum that I put in the market. So I bought one extra one just now, assuming it's going to pop up. So I'm assuming it's going to lower a little bit and then pop back up. If not, it drops below 52.5, 53. I'm going to buy back in down here at 47, up there 47-ish. Maybe I'll ride a couple waves up because it's going to do one of these here. You're going to have a big opportunity to make $2,000 on a dip if you buy at the right time. So here to here, etc. on the way down. So just pay attention. There could be some good options for trading tonight for Bitcoin, whether it goes up or goes down. All right, starttrading.com. Make sure you like or subscribe if you like the information. Catch more of this information on our channel. If you want to know what I'm trading on, go to our links in the SIG. Please sign up. That's how we get paid essentially is when you deposit money and invest yourself, and then we get reciprocated for referring you. Otherwise, we're just providing free information. StartTrading.com is a free course. Go check it out, and that's all.